Your gut is more than just a digestion machine. It's a powerhouse that affects everything from your immune system and energy levels to your mood and mental clarity. But here's the catch: stress, poor diet, and even medications can throw your gut off balance fast. The good news? You can give your gut some serious TLC with these top 3 natural supplements that support digestion, reduce inflammation, and restore balance from the inside out. Why it works. Probiotics are living microorganisms that help repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria. They improve digestion, strengthen your immune system, and help fight off harmful pathogens. Think of them as your gut's personal army. Best for bloating and gas IBS symptoms and post-antibiotic recovery. Look for a multi-strain formula with lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species. Bonus points for added prebiotics, they feed your probiotics. L-glutamine is an amino acid that's like a healing balm for your intestinal walls. It helps repair leaky gut, reduce inflammation, and support nutrient absorption by keeping your gut lining intact and strong. L-glutamine is best for leaky gut, chronic inflammation, and food sensitivities. Look for a pure powder or capsule form with no fillers. Take it on an empty stomach for the best results. Why it works. These natural enzymes help break down proteins, carbs, and fats, so your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently. If you often feel full, bloated, or tired after eating, digestive enzymes can be a game changer. Best for bloating after meals, nutrient malabsorption, and slow digestion. Look for a broad-spectrum blend that includes amylase, protease, and lipase, covering all the major macronutrients. You don't have to pick just one. These 3 supplements work synergistically. Probiotics balance the microbiome, L-glutamine heals and protects, and digestive enzymes help you get the most from your food. Together, they create a gut health trifecta that supports better digestion, smoother energy, and even clearer skin. Gut health isn't just about avoiding stomach aches, it's about optimizing your entire well-being. Adding these natural supplements into your routine is a simple yet powerful way to support your body at the root level. So, if your gut's been acting up or you just want to feel your best every day, don't sleep on these top picks. Your gut and your future self will thank you.